Hello children, welcome back. Today I am going to start the fourth chapter, second degree equations. After completing this chapter, I will take chapter 3, mathematics of chance. Let's start the class. Okay. Are you familiar with equations? Yes. 2x plus 3y equal to 10, 2x equal to 5, x plus y equal to 10 are some examples of equations. Then can you say that what do you mean by an equation? A mathematical equation which represents the relationship of two expressions on either side of the sign. It mostly has one variable and equal to simple. Example, 2x minus 4 equal to 2. In the given example, x is a variable. Next, what do you mean by degree? Highest power of a variable is called a degree. Once more, highest power of a variable is called a degree. If the highest power of a variable in an equation is 2, such equations are called second degree equations. Example, x square plus 2x equal to 7, x square plus 1 equal to 0, 3x square plus 4x plus 2 equal to 0. Here, in each equation, the highest power of x is 2. Is it clear for you? Okay. Let's do some exercise questions on page number 81. Question number 1. When each side of a square was reduced by 2 meters, the area became 49 square meters. What was the length of a side of the original square? Here we have to find the length of side of the original square. Let the side of the original square be x. First you have to consider the side of original square be x. Now the side of new square, the length of the side of new square is equal to x minus 2. When each side of a square was reduced by 2 meters, the area became 49 square meters. So x minus 2 the whole square equal to 49, x minus 2 equal to root 49. So x minus 2 equal to 7. Therefore, x equal to 7 plus 2, 9 meter. X means the side of the original square. Therefore, the side of the original square equal to 9 meter. Is it clear for you children? Okay. Next, question number 2. A square ground has a 2 meter wide path all around it. The total area of the ground and the path is 1225 square meters. What is the area of the ground alone? Here we have to find the area of the ground alone. A square ground is there. 2 meter wide path all around it. Let the side of the square ground be x. Children, can you say that? What about the path? Yes. Side of the path equal to x plus 4. How do you get this? Yes. The side of the square be x. We have to add 2 on either side. That means x plus 2 plus 2. We get x plus 4. The area of the path given us 1225 square meters. So we can write x plus 4 the whole square equal to 1225. The path itself is a square. Okay, so x plus 4 equal to root of 1225, that is equal to 35. Okay, therefore x equal to 35 minus 4 equal to 31 meter. We have to find the area of the square ground, and it is equal to side into side. Okay, area of square ground equal to side into side, and it is equal to 31 into 31 equal to 961 meters square. Okay children, let's move to the third question. The square of a term in the arithmetic sequence 2, 5, 8, etc. is 2500. What is its position? The square of nth term given as 2500. We have to find the position of that term. Okay. So here xn square of nth term given as 2500. Therefore xn equal to root of 2500 equal to 50. We already know the formula of xn, nth term equal to f plus n minus 1 into d. xn equal to 50. What about f? The sequence 2, 5, 8 given. Okay, so first term is 2. 2 plus n minus 1 into d. Common difference 3. 50 equal to 2 plus 3 into n 3n. 3 into minus 1 minus 3. 50 equal to 3n plus 2 minus 3. So it is equal to 50 equal to 3n minus 1. From this we can write 50 plus 1 equal to 3n. 3n equal to 51. N is equal to 51 by 3 equal to 17. N means the position. So we can write 2500 is the square of 17th term. Is the square of the 17th term. Next, question number 4. 2000 rupees was deposited in a scheme in which interest is compounded annually. After 2 years, the amount in the account was 2205 rupees. What is the rate of interest? Question tells that 2000 rupees was deposited in a scheme. Interest is compounded annually. After 2 years, he got 2205 rupees. We have to find the rate of interest. Okay. After 2 years, amount equal to 2205 rupees. Amount calculated on the basis of compound interest. Once again, amount calculated on the basis of compound interest. So, we can write amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole raised to N. After 2 years, what about the amount? It is equal to 2205 rupees. Okay, 2205 rupees equal to, what is the principal amount? Yes, 2000. Principal amount is 2000 into 1 plus R by 100. R means the rate of interest, the whole raised to N equal to 2, number of years. Next, 2205 divided by 2000 equal to 1 into 100, 100 plus r divided by 100 the whole square. 2205 divided by 2000 equal to 441 divided by 400 equal to 100 plus r the whole square divided by 100 square is 10,000. Okay. Next 441 by 400 into 10,000 equal to 100 plus r the whole square. Simplifying this equation, we get 11,025 equal to 100 plus r the whole square. So 100 plus r equal to root of 11,025. That is equal to 105. Therefore, r is equal to 105 minus 100. That is equal to 5. R means the rate of interest. So, we got r is equal to 5%. Is it clear for you? Okay. Thank you for watching this video, students.